Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. In this episode I am going to make pork mince with beans and baby eggplants. Let's start cooking. I'm cutting the eggplant in cubes. I have also washed the eggplants. Okay, for the beans I'm cutting them. Next one, I am going to cook the eggplants in an oil first. Add oil to the wok. You have to pat dry the eggplant before you add it to the oil. Salt, add a teaspoon of salt. Once the eggplants are slightly softened, we are going to remove from the oil back into the bowl. Remove the oil. Garlic and pork mince. Add your ginger. Add the red onions. Add your beans. Add the eggplants back to the pot. And our oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce. Tablespoon of water. Season with salt and pepper, black pepper. Just need a bit more salt. Our dish is completed. Our pork mince with eggplant, baby eggplant, beans and all the flavorings I added, like a quick stir fry. So here it is, let's taste it. I like it. It's yummy. And it's healthy. That's our recipe or cooking for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment below. Otherwise, thank you for joining in and tuning in and cooking with me. Take care and be safe, and I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye for now from Mills.